Amazing hackers, this is Worldy, and today we're going to be solving a walkthrough video from Try and Hack Me on cross-site scripting. So all you need to do is come to this website, tryhackme.com, open an account with them. If you open an account with them, you set up your and access your VPN server to access the Try and Hack Me VPN server. Then get that started up on your terminal, and then come over to the server, try and hack me, then try to solve the rooms. But I'm going to show you how to solve these rooms, but I'm not going to be how to get the flags to get the challenges solved, but I'm not going to be filling them in. I'm just going to show you the payloads that work, that can help you get the flags. But one of the thing that interests me most in this room is stored cross-site scripting. I love to find cross-site scripting on every platform as a hunter, right? And one of my favorite bugs is stored, because I know what stored cross-site scripting can do to an application, right? Both because it's persistent in nature, it's something I like to hunt for. Yeah, I'm also a hunter of other vulnerabilities, but I love cross-site scripting. Without any further ado, before I continue with my explanations, let's access the machine. I already have the machine started. I have the IP on. To know if your IP is on and you can access it, you could just do a ping command to know that. But I already did that. I already joined the room. I have the IP. I'll open it in a new tab, and then you could go ahead and read through this place, how they explain cross-site scripting, the different types of cross-site scripting, DOM based, stored, reflected. You get to know a lot about cross-site scripting. But without any further ado, let us open the web application. And the first challenge was to, when we navigate to this IP, was to browse and click on the reflected SSS tab, and then make it pop a hello to us. So all we need to do is click on the reflected, and when we click that, I pray the network supports this challenge and make it faster for you guys and for me. So we are supposed to make this web application, this input parameter, to reflect back to us hello as a proof of concept if you're a bug bounty hunter. But one of the things I teach is you should check and see. One of the things you do to know if the web application is vulnerable is put in a random string and see if it will reflect back to you on the screen. And it's reflecting back. It reflecting back to you lets you know that, okay, so my input is reflecting back on the screen. So why don't I try a malicious script, or a script to probably pass the challenge? I already have my what is it called, on my gedit, some script I already put out we can use to pass these challenges. So all I need to do is copy them and paste it, and then I explain why we are using them. So here I'm going to paste the script tag. So we're saying that this is a JavaScript function, and we're saying on alert it should alert hello world, right? I could choose to put alert hello. I can choose to put alert hello, whatever I want to put in there. All I need to do is craft my payload properly and send this request. And if the server returns back this pop on your screen, this is enough proof of concept for those who are into bug bounty hunting. All you need to do is press OK, and then you copy the flag and come back here and put the flag. So this is where you're supposed to put the flag. So we'll go to the second one. The second question is, we're supposed to make it pop our IP address. So very easy. All we need to still do is go back here. I have a payload for that. Just on the place where you put the hello word, you can just change it to, sorry guys, So all you need to do is come back to the same place you said hello world and change it to windows.location.host. And when you do that, so friends, it pops your IP. All you need to do too is copy this, go back, submit the flag. This is the flag. You copy the flag and submit it, guys. So let's see if we can solve the third room. This is the now we're done with this server, the URL. So we're going to take this other URL, open it in a new tab. While this is opening, guys, I hope you understood what I said. All you need to do is follow my steps, copy the flags, come here, submit them to pass each of the challenges. Let's see if the room is opened, and it's opened here. Yeah. So what is the challenge to pass? Then add a comment and see if it's a stored cross-site scripting. So we're supposed to add a comment and see if some of your HTML will show, right? So I already have, like I said, my HTML. All I need to do is copy it, come back here, go back to the lab. So we can't access the cross-site scripting stored, so we need to first create an account so that we can we need to create an account. Did you see what I said? You need to create an account to be able to get into and solve the stored cross-site scripting. So let's create it already. So now we are registered. Okay, so we want to solve the stored cross-site scripting. And you know the behavior of stored cross-site scripting is the web application allows you to save your inputs into the server, right? It's like sometimes a comment section, a feedback section, those places where you send in some information or strings or random strings, and they get stored into the web application. So how do we know? Let's say something and see if it will get stored in this comment section. So I'm giving a simple, I'm a hacker, and I'm sending it in. Let's see if it gets stored as a comment with other comments. And yeah, it was stored. This is it here. This is it here. So now we know that this web server accepts inputs, and the input stays stored. So anybody that comes back to this website and open my comments to read, if I had put some malicious script there, they will open it and they will be vulnerable to stored cross-site scripting. So now I have a payload I think you can also use to get their cookie section from the stored cross-site scripting, and this is it here. So all I need to do is come back here, put it in. It's just a very simple payload, so you guys can do it. I had to write those down so that I'll be able to make the class or the walkthrough challenge very short and understanding. So all I need to put here was document.cookie because I want to steal the document information, the cookie information. Sorry guys, did you see it? This is how to pass the challenge. All you need to do is you copy the flag and submit it to the web application. So guys, let's quickly complete. Change the playground to I am a hacker by adding a comment and using JavaScript. So we already know that this is an attack on the DOM base. So what I would do is I'll still access the server. This is the playground. This is what was supposed to change. This is the playground. So one of the first thing I would have done is to use the developer tool and then see the JavaScript syntax there and know how it behaves, so I'll be able to manipulate that. But I already have my script prepared that I can use to get the same results. So we'll just copy it, we'll come here and we put it in here, and see if it's going to get us our flags, guys. And we were able to get the flag, and this is it here. I am a hacker. I changed the playground to I am a hacker. So guys, you go back here and fill up all of the flags we got. Thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to help me share and subscribe to my videos. It helps the algorithm of our videos to get to beginners who are very interested in web application security research and bug bounty hunters.